Hello, in front of me I've got iPhone 14 Pro Max. In this video I'll show you how to manage File Manager. In the beginning, let's locate the Files app and enter it. Now go to Browse, and now you can check files from iCloud Drive, on my phone, or recently deleted. Also, you can check your downloads and tags. Next, you can go to Shared and Recents. Then you can also organize by icons, name, kind, date, size, tags, or group by none, kind, date, size, shared by, all show, all extractions. And that's basically it. If you find this video helpful, please leave a like, comment and subscribe.